family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. If you love this video, can you please give it a thumbs up? It will really help my video in the YouTube algorithm. If you can tell from the title, then you already know that why we are here. I am so excited because I am happy with the result that I got on my 6 months hair growth challenge. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. But we went on the 6 months hair growth challenge after I got a big chop or a big trim, not really a chop, a big trim on my hair. I went on a 5 year hair growth challenge first, and then after the 5 year, I went to get my hair professionally trimmed, and we trim a lot out. So I decided to go on a 6 months hair growth challenge for me to be able to get my length back because I'm interested in healthy hair and also longer hair. I will also leave that video down in the description box, or what I told you guys I was going to do to be able to regrow my hair back out. And I kept to that. I took my vitamins daily, my hair, skin, and nails vitamins, and then I also use my 3 growth oils consistently. Now, if you are struggling to grow your hair out and you don't have a growth oil that you trust in, I would I'm saying highly recommend buying the 3 growth oils, mixing them together and using it for adults because the caffeine oil you cannot use it on kids' hair. That is what I did. I mixed these 3 oils together because all of these oils have their own unique ingredients. The S Secrets Growth Oil comes with 21 natural ingredients. The caffeine growth oil comes with 16 different ingredients, and the carrot oil comes with 15 different organic natural ingredients. Now, if you want to benefit from all of it, I recommend just buying it and mixing it together. So these were the 3 oils that I use consistently for our 6 months hair growth challenge. I apply it on my scalp, I massage it in, I use it within all of my DIYs ingredients, and you guys will see the result. This is a live proof that you guys will see right in front of your eyes for yourself. So I was consistent with the oils, and then another thing I was consistent with is taking my vitamins. Now, it is very good for us to concentrate on our scalp for our hair, but you also need to concentrate with what you are taking internal. Now, with the vitamins, I was consistent with it. I'm someone, I don't eat too healthy because I'm always on the go. I'm all either filming, working with secrets and the kids and husband and life. So sometimes I miss a lot of meals, and the vitamins help to replace that for me. In my case, if you are someone who doesn't like taking hair vitamins, then I would recommend that you try to eat healthy, you try to drink a lot of water, and you create a routine that works best for you and you stick to it. That's that's the only thing you should take from this whole video. If you are struggling to grow your hair out, I would recommend you create a routine that works for you and you stick to it. My routine is something that I've been using for years now, and I know that it works for my hair, it works for my schedule, it works around my life. So create a routine that will do the same for you. Within my routine, I make sure that I pre-pull my hair on every wash day. I set for me to do my routine once a week, and I stuck to that routine for the last 6 months. I will pre-pull my hair, and pre-pulling my hair, I started using a lot of Ayurvedic treatment rather than just using just regular sprays or things like that to pre-pull my hair. So I use different type of Ayurvedic herbs. I use that to pre-pull my hair, and then after that I also use my shampoo, my full hair care line. That's something I also use, and I can see that it is working so much for me. I will pre-pull my hair. After that I will shampoo my hair, and then I will go straight in with my deep condition treatment. I will leave it on sit under my steamer for like 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. After that, I will rinse it out and then I will moisturize my hair. I will oil my scalp. I will massage my scalp. I will take my vitamin, and I did this consistently. And even within that, I also include other challenge within a challenge. But when I say a challenge within a challenge, why on my 6 months challenge, I also did like weekly challenges, monthly challenges. I will create certain ingredients and use it for that whole month, or I will create an ingredient and use it consistently daily for that whole week. Now what I did, I also used my clove treatment. I went on a challenge with it and I got a great result from that. Also, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. If you would love to see all what I use within this 6 months time, I will take all of that video links and leave it down in the description box, just in case if you want to create your routine around my routine, or if you want to give my routine a try, maybe it's also gonna work for you. So I will also leave those videos down in the description box for you. Now that you have heard all what I did to be able to achieve a successful challenge, let's just go right into the length check and you guys can see for yourself. This is the length that I started with 6 months ago. This is how long my hair was. And before the trim on my hair, this is where my hair was stopping. And now 6 months later, with all my treatment, this is my length now. I'm almost to where I was before the trim. Maybe just within a few more months, maybe 2 to 3 months, I will be exactly where I was before. I did not regret trimming my ends because my hair needed to be healthy, but I'm just so excited that with my routine, with my products, I'm able to achieve my hair goals. Now, this did not happen overnight. There were a lot of things to consider. Number one is create a routine and stick to it. Number two, you have to be really consistent with your hair routine. You have to clean your scalp. You also have to make sure that you are massaging your scalp properly. Massaging your scalp that encourages blood circulation, which will encourage healthy hair and longer hair. Now, a big high five and congratulations to all those that joined me on the hair growth challenge. I hope all of you guys were able to achieve your desired length or how healthy you wanted your hair to be. Okay, family, so this is the end of today's video. I also just wanted to show you guys my nails. This is how long my nails is growing. I have to keep fine it down to keep it at this length because I don't want it too long. And this is all thanks to my hair, skin, and nails vitamins. But the bad news is that it's out of stock. So we don't have it on the website. I'm trying so hard to be able to get it back in stock because many of you guys been asking me about it. So when it's back in stock, then maybe we can also plan another challenge. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you right in my next video. Bye bye.